Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare or pack your SONY LX5BT for transporting it safely. Okay, let's begin with all of that, and the first thing is of course to unplug it from power, which I already have done, as you can see, and make sure that the power switch is off, so it's out. Unplug it from anything else, and now let's get it all ready. So let's first, if you have the box, if you still have the box, you may want to remove this part right here. And put it like if you have the original box, right, that the device came with, then you may want to remove this part and just put it separately. If not, then you may want to remove it for now and then reattach it. Of course, I have the record on it, so let's remove that one as well. The flat mat, which is nice to store flat, so make sure you don't like roll it or anything, you just store it flat. The best would be like between some cardboard boxes or between vinyl records, which is also a pretty good idea. Now let's remove our platter. What I'll do is just, as you can see, there's the motor part. Just remove the drive belt like so. Now remove the platter, and it would be worth attaching a ribbon. I actually have the one that was included in the box, but if you don't have it, just get any other ribbon. It would be nice because later you will be able to easily reattach it to the what did I say? to the motor. It would be much easier because then you can pull it like so, and yeah, it makes everything easier. Now I also have a tape that I will tape it on with so it doesn't fall off. You can use any kind of tape. So okay, now we have that done. Let's make sure everything is great with our stylus, because I did make it fall down here. I'm so sorry, stylus. Let's first, I have this kind of thing here, which may be a little useful to wrap it around the stylus where it meets the resting place. This kind of attachment, so it just doesn't scratch, right? Now let's lock it here, and if you have a tie like this would be really useful, because later you can just tie it here to make sure it doesn't fall off, because if it does, it may lead to very, very unwanted and big damage. So we don't want it to fall. We don't want to like jump around. Now also, I always, like, even if I don't keep the box, I always keep the thing for the cartridge to just later put it on whenever I need to like transport it, or if I'm not using it for a longer time, just to make sure that if someone moves it and it falls, the needle doesn't get destroyed. Let's remove the hinges on the back if you're not going to reattach the dust cover, but if you are going to, you can safely reattach it now. I will remove the hinges though, because I will be putting everything in the original box. But as I said, well, it's all done here. You can just, if you're not transporting it in the box, you can just, of course, with the hinges, put the dust cover on, and yeah, just transport it. Then transport your platter somewhere safe, and the flat mat, just put it in between like vinyl records, and well, it should be fine. That is great, and well, that is basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.